Step into the Dodge 2016 Challenger RT Scat Pack. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: driver convenience group, leather interior group, Scat Pack appearance group, Index, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, media hub, SD, USB, O ports, and radio data system. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.